everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the ChatGPT for resume writing to get hired faster. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT on your browser. Then here in the dashboard or the home screen, type a prompt like this example prompt here. Create a professional resume for your job role with experience. Then here can provide your details such as your name, work experience, skills, education, certifications, and ChatGPT will generate a complete resume draft for you in seconds. And after that, you can ask also the ChatGPT to improve or customize it, like to make it more professional, tailor it with specific job description, or add a strong action verbs. You can also request a cover letter based on your resume to increase the chances of getting hired. And finally, copy the result into the tools like Word or Google Docs and format it neatly before sending. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.